Hi there, Chris here with just a tip for you all. In this video we're going to talk about paint pots and airbrushing. So as you can see here, I have a bottle of contrast paint, and we can use this in airbrushing as well as regular Citadel colors and shade washes and all the sort. And here you can see I have a Badger Patriot 105. It's a regular type of airbrush. It's very common, and typically you end up pouring the paint pot into the airbrush, and I find that to be quite cumbersome and dangerous. So I highly recommend picking up these glass eyedroppers with the little rubber back ends to them, the little plunger endy. You can see here, this one here is well used. I use it all the time for my airbrushing. And just to demonstrate really easily, you don't have to move your paint pots over to dropper style bottles. In fact, you can just simply, you get yourself one of these little dollar glass eyedroppers, and you can fill up the eyedropper, place it into your airbrush, and begin using it. And this is what I do all the time. For flushing it out, when you've used it all up, of course, you can just simply rinse it off in some water. It seemed like there was quite a bit of paint there, but there really wasn't that much. It's just, residual paint inside the tube. It was empty. I had squeezed the rest of the back end of the paint. But you can see there, it's, fairly clean. There is still, you can see a little bubble inside there that is some color, but you can simply just, flush it again with some more water. And of course, if you're really a stickler for keeping things clean, I often will use Windex. I'll squirt a little bit into my cup, just all on its lonesome, and then use that, flush it once or twice inside the eyedropper, and basically that's it. So an eyedropper, a glass eyedropper, I highly recommend. They're easy to clean, better than the plastic variety of eyedroppers out there. This is just one of those things that is a regular tool in my toolbox that helps me with my airbrushing. It also helps with my cleaning, but I may do a video on that at some other point. Huge thank you to all my patrons. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below, and there are varying tiers to support at. Huge thank you to everybody. Take care of those brushes, and they will take care of you.